How to save effects on Instagram. Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can save effects on Instagram. So let's get started. First, open up Instagram on your phone, of course, or maybe on your laptop. So once you have opened up Instagram, then we can go ahead and go to our stories. So I'm just going to swipe and open up my camera. This is our stories right here where we can check different filters and we have different effects that we can use. So how to save an effect into your camera, or if you check out a new effect that your friend used and you check it out, or if you explore new different effects, how to save them. So first I'm going to just show you how to save a simple effect that you get in your camera before it vanishes away. So we're just going to go ahead and maybe save this one. So this is a cool effect that we can use. So you will find your effect name right here at the bottom of your screen, you can see, and then we have this little icon which is the save icon, and if I click on it, my effect will be saved. So that is how you do it. Similarly, I can go with maybe this one, and what I need to do is just click on this save icon right here with the name. Similarly, I can go to explore, click on browse effect, and here I will be able to find more effects, and if I like any, I can just go ahead and save it to my camera. So maybe this one right here. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna click on this save right here, save option. You can see we have try it, and then we have save option at the bottom of the screen. Click on save and it will be saved to your camera. See, it says, and I can save as many as I like. Now, if I go back, we see our saved different effects right here. You are on your home, and then if you swipe left, then you will be able to see a lot of different saved filters that you have. So this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to save effects on Instagram. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.